Still just a little nervous. Just still exploring the place. Look at how carefully she moves. Uses all of her senses. She's really a beautiful cat and very friendly. There you go, you found the water. Just go work, kitty cat. See how gently she walks? Feels every step. She's really no different than any other cat. She doesn't require any special needs. What do you think? What do you think, Chirp?